Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel a pending draw on Fundbox. Have you made a draw request on Fundbox but changed your mind or spotted an error? Well, don't worry, you can cancel it, but only if it hasn't been processed yet. Let me show you how. So first thing you got to do is to log into your Fundbox account. Go to fundbox.com and sign in using your business credentials. Next, go to the Activity or Transactions tab. So just find the section that's labeled Draws, Activity, or Transaction History. And once you click on that, next step is going to be to identify the pending draw. Go ahead and look for the draw request that shows a status of pending or processing. These are the only eligible ones for cancellation. Next, click that transaction. So go ahead and open the specific draw entry to view more options. From there, you can just click cancel or withdraw request. So if the draw is still pending, then a cancel button is going to be visible. So just go ahead and click it to stop the transaction. And of course, the final step is to confirm your cancellation. A pop-up is going to ask you to confirm. So just click yes to finalize. Now, there are a couple of important things to note. The first is you can't cancel a draw that's already marked as completed or in transit. Second, Fundbox typically processes draws quickly, so timing is crucial. You have a very small window to cancel it. Last is if the cancel option isn't available, then you want to contact Fundbox support as soon as possible. And that's it. Quick, simple, and efficient. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Fundbox tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.